Everything cranked down and it still moves. I have to freaking be so sweet, slow. See, any digging, and it just falls. Something about this stupid phone holder. It's just, I'm gonna have to super glue it or something. I don't know. If I super glue it, then it's gonna not be like it should. Alright, so I throw one in the bucket here. I take my pile, mix it with my snow, and away I go. Stay there, you little bugger. I gotta turn off that stupid windshield wiper. I don't know why, it freaks that camera out. Oh, come on. I hate that. Jumps up in the air for no reason because it's a rock. So what? Push the rock out of the way. There we go. Now we're getting her. Making some dirt here. Anyway, this is how you get safe as possible when you're going down the road. That is just dirt. A mountain of it. It's dirt. Oh, what do you know? Getting down to the rock. Alright, here we go. I don't know what the hell you go. I'm not allowed to say the other part. So bullshit. Alright, now we got some dirt on the hill. Won't be quite as bad going up. It'll probably be covered with snow by the time I get back though. It's snowing pretty damn good here. Now